So hello and welcome back to this channel. My name is Ruth, and in today's video it's another money video. So in today's video we'll be talking about, is there a difference between saving or investing? So stay tuned. Another tip in how to be good with your money is to get out of debt. Many times we cannot go into savings or we cannot even invest because we have so much debt in our name. Saving, investing, what is the difference? So when we think about saving and investing, they usually are used quite interchangeably, but there surely is a difference. So when we think about saving, this is basically putting money aside bit by bit. And when we save, we tend to save up to pay for something specific. So this could be saving up for a holiday, or this could be saving up to cover any emergency. So like a car breakdown or a boiler breaking. This is where we tend to use our savings. So when we think about saving, this is basically putting money into cash products such as a savings account in a bank or a building society. So when we think about saving, I would also add that saving is for quick access, because you need this money. This money needs to be in an available place that you can access at any time. For example, if you have an emergency or if you're saving towards a holiday. So when we think about saving, this is money that I would say is used under 5 years, and we need to have it in a place where we can have quick access to it. On the other hand, I would say when we talk about investing is usually for long-term things, for 5 years and above, and this is usually for your future. So when we think of the term investing is taking some of your money and trying to grow that money. So this means trying to increase the value of the money that you're putting aside. So this could be buying assets like, property, or putting your money into stocks and shares, or basically having a bond. So those are types of investments. And also to add as well, investments are things which you do not have quick access to. So if you're doing something like a stocks and shares or a bond, you are not going to touch it for at least 5 years. So we see the difference here in terms of investing and saving. Savings, you can basically have easy access to the accounts that you have, but in terms of investing, you are not going to touch this thing for at least 5 years. So investing is more long term and saving is more short term. So dear friend, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you got some understanding of the difference between saving and investing. I believe it's so important to understand these things because in this channel we've talked about having an emergency fund. An emergency fund lays under savings, but it's so important for us to have a strong emergency fund before we rush away to invest, so that we are able to build, grow and develop. And if an emergency happens, we have quick access to money, whereas investing is a different category. So hopefully in future videos we'll address this, and hopefully stay tuned for the future money videos. If you enjoyed this video and would like to know more about finances and financial literacy, make sure you subscribe, because on this channel we talk about finances, health and well-being, psychology and education. So see you in the next one. Bye.